How to fix Microsoft Authenticator loop. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Authenticator loop. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta go to your PC and go to the search bar of the search engine and type in Portal Office, and then you gotta simply open this one, that is office.com, and click on the first website that pops up. So once you do so, they will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. After signing in, you'll be able to see an interface like this. You gotta go to the left side, you gotta click on your profile or your name, and then you gotta click on View Account. Once done, you'll be redirected to the settings. So what you gotta do is simply go to Security over here at the left side. So search for Security over here at the left side, click on Security, and then you'll be able to see something like this. You gotta click on Manage How I Sign In, and then you'll be taken over to an interface like this. So if you have a two-factor authentication set up already, you'll be able to see that over here. So all you need to do is simply click on two-factor authentication and click on reset, and that will help fix your issue. But if that doesn't fix your issue and if you don't have administrative privileges, so you gotta contact your admin or any person who has administrative privileges to help reset your two-factor authentication, and that will end the loop. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.